Hello everybody. We want to give you a quick look at our hotel room. We are staying at the Courtyard by Marriott. It is on St. Charles and we are in room 309. So let me turn this around and I'll give you a quick room tour. Okay, so we have a king size room. There is a nightstand next to the bed, lots of plug-ins. There's also a plug right by that lamp on that side of the bed. On this side, same thing. This one has a multi-plug and then a plug at the lamp there. Nice comfy little chair with a footstool. Looks like our ice bucket and cups are in this stand. There is a lamp there. I'm not going to open up the window. We're just looking at the building across the street and it's dark out now. Maybe I can show you in the morning. There is a desk here. Nice lamp. A little coffee maker. They do give you some coffees here and some mugs. And there is a desk chair. And then this little table kind of rolls out. Sorry, that kind of zoomed out, but yeah, so this table will roll out. This lamp also does have some plugins there. Nice size television. There's some drawers if you want to unpack, and there is a refrigerator, small little refrigerator that you could put stuff in if you needed to. Overall, so far, it's a pretty decent room. It is hardwood floors, no carpet. Nice artwork, and there is a thermostat on the wall. So next I'll show you the bathroom. When you enter into the door of the hotel room, to the left is the bathroom. There is this closet that opens up. There is the ironing board. I think this must be the hair dryer. There is a safe that's actually a little bit bigger, but it's actually horizontal versus like laying down on the shelf. And then the luggage rack. And then is the bathroom. Well, first there is this full-length mirror on this wall. And then we've got the bathroom, standard bathroom, Kleenex, sink, hand towels, washcloths. The door has a hook on the back of it. There's a rack that has some towels on it inside. It looks like it's got some nice handles if you need it for stability. A nice little shelf for shaving. It is a rolling door, so not a bathtub. It is just a shower. And it looks like it's got a nice shower head. And then they also give you shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. So looks like a pretty decent bathroom. This is the view out our window from room 309. So there's just a building across the street. Not much to look at. So that is just a quick overview of our room, and later I will show you around the hotel. And this is where you check in. They do have somebody here 24 hours a day. Right off the front lobby, they do have a coffee shop here, and then there is a bar. Here's a closer look at what they have for their coffee drinks. They do have breakfast sandwiches. They have some nice seating out here in the bar area. And then right outside the coffee bar area and breakfast area, they do have some more seating. And then they do have a small print center where you can log in if you need to use a printer. Right behind the check-in desk, they have this little area. They're calling it the boarding pass. There's another printer here. Some cards for information if you're looking for something to do. Another computer and they also have an ATM. Looks like they do have a small market as well if you need anything, and a microwave. There's some snacks, bottled water and drinks, frozen meals, and alcohol beverages. They also have medications or some toiletries. This hotel does offer a fitness center, so I'll show you that next. So you do need your key card to get in here. So when you first walk in, to the left, there is a water station, place where you can drop off your towels and garbage. They have some mats on the wall. Nice wall with mirrors. Some decent weights over here with a weight bench. It's pretty decent size exercise room. We've got elliptical bikes, some treadmills. There's a couple weight machines over here as well. So 3 ellipticals, or 3 treadmills, a couple ellipticals, and then a Peloton. There's TV on the wall there. And it looks like screens for all of the other exercise equipment. So like I said, pretty decent size for hotel. And it is open at 24 hours. So I'll give a basic overview. So on the second floor, I just came down to where the ice machine was, and I noticed they have a microwave. So this hotel has 6 floors. I'm heading to number 6 right now to check out the laundry room for you. This hotel does offer a very small guest laundry. So there is a washer and dryer inside. Let me go check it out. So this laundry room is on the 6th floor next to the ice machine. So there's just 1 wash machine and 1 dryer, and it costs $1.50 for each load. Looks like it is 45 minutes for each cycle. There is a small table in here if you would like to fold any of your laundry. And you can get supplies at the front desk. If you found this hotel video helpful in any way, please consider giving it a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you enjoy the video or that it was helpful for you. We just like to showcase the different amenities that the hotels offer that we stay at, and we like to share that information with you. So this is the Courtyard by Marriott near the French Quarter on St Charles Avenue here in New Orleans. We have enjoyed our stay here. It was very convenient for the things that we wanted to see and do, and it was easy walking to all the places that we wanted to go to. So it's not that far, it's not that busy, it was fairly quiet, the room was comfortable, all the things. So if you are in New Orleans and you're considering a hotel, you might want to consider this Courtyard by Marriott. Thanks for watching our video here for the hotel.